Hello guys, welcome to the Brawn Tip. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your keyboard's LED problem. Without any further ado, let's get started. Here I have AND Pro 2, one of the best 60% keyboards on the market. I've had this keyboard for nearly a year. Just 4 months after buying, my LED light on the number key 4 started showing a different color. I tried updating the software but it did not help. Then I found out on Reddit that many people have similar problem with their AND Pro 2, and even other mechanical keyboards like Razer and Corsair have similar issues. If you take a closer look at this key, it's in cyan color, while all the rest of them are in white color. But if you change the color to green, everything is green, including the 4 key. If you change the color to red, the 4 key does not light up. You can see that the light is not shining through the 4 key but shining through the other keys. Let me remove the other keycap as well so that we can have a closer look. If we turn the light to blue, everything works correctly. The blue and green colors light up while the red does not light up. And white is the combination of red, green and blue, that's RGB. And when we remove red from white, we get a shade of cyan. Okay, to repair the keyboard, we need to resolder the legs of LED to PCB as the red leg might have got disconnected. Now let's remove the keycaps first by using the keycap puller. Now you need a soldering iron, soldering wire and a screwdriver. Now unscrew all the 5 screws that hold the panel with the keyboard base. Guys, we need a Torx T5 screwdriver to remove the screws. I bought a local cheap screwdriver set and had a lot of trouble unscrewing the screws. It even damaged the panel a little. Don't be like me, buy a good screwdriver. I'll leave the links of good screwdriver set and soldering equipment in the description. After removing the screws, flip the keyboard panel gently so you can see the PCB and place it on the base carefully. If you take a closer look at this, there are 4 legs and you just have to reheat them again to make the connection. Just reheat the 4 legs, that will do the job. Guys, please be careful while soldering. The soldering iron gets very hot. Please don't touch it directly. Okay, this is how it looks after resoldering. I resoldered it like 5 times already, so it looks a little burnt. But that will not be a problem. All you have to do is to make the connections by reheating the iron. Now flip the panel and put the screws back. Turn on the keyboard to check if everything is working correctly. I turn the red light on as to check if the LED is emitting red light, and boom, everything works perfectly. Now it's time to put on the keycaps and you're done. That's all from me today. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Catch you in the next video.